hot dogs, y'all. Right on that dog. Glizzy, 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 glizzy. All right, y'all, we pulled up, right? And y'all know, being this close to Thanksgiving, I did not think it would be crowded. The place looks packed so far. It looks absolutely packed. All right, we're gonna come around the building, y'all. This is it right there. So I guess we're gonna go in here and order. Let's check it out, y'all. Let's check it out. Look, this is good to know, cash only. Going in, y'all. Look, help wanted. They're hiring. They're hiring. Yo, it's packed. It is packed in here. Check it out. How you doing? That's some 2 fried hot dogs, y'all. I'm gonna put that special sauce on them. That's that special sauce. They said make sure I get this right here, y'all. We're gonna get that right on that dog. Gotta get it. Oh, that smells delicious. Next, please. Then we're gonna get a little. Gotta get the mustard too, y'all. Just a little mustard. So let's give a big shout out to Eric, the actor, and Matt Miller, because they were the first 2 that suggested. And then shout out to my homegirl, Leo Queen, that kept saying that I needed to drive out here to Clifton, New Jersey to check out Rutts. So we're here, man. My bag is flying away. We got these hot dogs right here. Let's check them out, man. Look, y'all, that looks good, right? That got that deep fried hot dog, and they got their special sauce, and I put mustard on it too, man, because I love mustard, and it looks like that golden brown spicy mustard. Let's check it out, man, real quick. All right, here's that first one right there. Here's that first glizzy, 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 glizzy. You know what? Look, I wasn't even craving a hot dog today. And I saw Leo Queen, she wrote in the comments, try Rutts Huts. This is a really good hot dog, y'all. And I should have just bit a piece of the hot dog first. Hold up. The hot dog is crunchy, that crunchy skin, because they deep fried it. And this sauce, their homemade relish is absolutely delicious. And I also added some Gouldens, spicy brown mustard. It looks like Gouldens, I don't know if it is, but their homemade relish. See that orange, yellowy looking homemade relish, delicious. That is a good hot dog. I started to order a Pepsi. I wanted a Pepsi. They say you live only once, but I don't want to die tomorrow if I don't have to. You're welcome, sir. Yep. Navy. Yep.
Somebody's got to do it.
That's right. I was talking to some fellow veterans. Look at this, man. I just gotta let y'all see this, right? I gotta let y'all see how that look right there? Gotta get y'all to it like that. Gotta cover it up with the shade, man. It's absolutely delicious. I'm glad I took the drive up here to Clifton, New Jersey. Ooh. That hot dog is so good. I wasn't even paying attention to the bread. The bread is a good bun, but that hot dog with that special relish, I'm calling it special relish. They call these rippers, right? And it's their special relish. You know what? I'm glad I put the mustard too. I'm gonna explain to y'all when I get my water the flavors that I'm tasting. I got too much stuff in my hands right now. I'm gonna explain to y'all. Give me a second. Okay, y'all, here it is. I'm gonna explain to y'all. The relish has this sweetness to it. And then the mustard has like this horseradishy taste to it. So it's that little spiciness. And those mixed of sweetness and spiciness and that deep fried hot dogs makes this hot dog #1 here in Clifton, New Jersey at Rutt's Huts. I could have ate inside, it was kind of noisy, but it was definitely a spot for me to set up and eat inside. But sometimes it was noisy in there, but sometimes it gets real quiet when I'm doing a video and everybody's like, what's he doing? I didn't want to disturb the noise. Disturb the noise. I'm eating both of these hot dogs. So, look, I'm gonna tell you how good this is. Before I do this, shout out to all the subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. Ring the bell so you'll be notified when we go live or post new videos. Thanks for keep coming back. Thanks for staying tuned. Shout out to all those that hit the $ thanks button to give a little extra. Help supply my coffee habit. I appreciate you guys. Matter of fact, let's put a couple names up. All these names here are people who've given in the last month. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, here we go, y'all. What I'm gonna do, right? I'm looking around, see if anybody see me. I'm gonna lick this plate, all right? I'm tasting that horseradishy and that sweetness. Don't tell nobody I did that. And right now, they only take cash too, but y'all saw that. I gotta mix this around. I wish I'd have put a little more sauce on this one, but I'm gonna just use my Carolina fork. If these are Carolina forks, what is this one? Y'all be laughing at some corny stuff. All right, here we go. Look how crispy it is. Can you see that? I gotta come over here and block this shade. Look at that crispiness. There you go. There you go. See that crispiness there, man? On that hot dog? Oh yeah. See, I'm blocking the shades, you can see it. Once the sun comes in, it blows that image out. You hear that? Wow. I want to say they have something here, but they already know. It's like, the place ain't new. I should have been came here. Why y'all ain't tell me this a long time ago? Eric the actor and Matthew probably did tell me a long time ago. Because normally people will suggest a restaurant and I have a locations file and I just add it to the locations and then I pick and choose. Like if somebody give me a suggestion, I don't go in the order of the suggestions. I normally just kind of pick and choose, you know, it's according to how far I want to drive. Rutt's Huts is actually 12 minutes from my house, so this wasn't a bad decision at all. This is your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. I love you cats, man. Y'all have a beautiful weekend. Going into the holiday season, Thanksgiving just passed, man. Now we're on Thanksgiving weekend, right into the holidays, man. You guys enjoy the holidays. Well, enjoy this Sunday, look, because I'm coming back. I'm gonna start posting. Let me stop lying. I want to post more. See, if I commit to you guys, then I just have to do it. I'm not gonna commit, but share the videos, man. Big up respect to you guys that support, man. Mad love. Yo, let's do a meetup around the holidays, like around New Year's or you know, a week before New Year's. What do you guys think? Y'all down to get down? All right, signing off, man. Even the burger, that hot dog taste. I wonder what hot dogs they use. You hear that crunch in there? That hot dog is seasoned well. And you can taste there's a little salt on it, but it's very tasty. I saw some people getting these without the sauces on them, without that yellow sauce. Big shout out to all our patrons. You can sign up and become a patron. Patreon.com/MattDVWilliams. Signing off once again. I'm gonna sign off 3 or 4 times before I actually go. Nah, I'm for real. Signing off again.